Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily log out of your account in App X. Put your likes, write your comments after watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Let's get started. So, first, you and I are going to open the X app. Next, you'll need to click on your profile picture at the top on the left side of the screen. Now we're going to find Settings and Support. And we'll find Settings and Privacy. We tap. Next, we go to our Account section. And then Account Information. Here we can find the Logout button. And we click on it. After that, in order to log out of the account, you just need to confirm the action. And that's it. That's the simple way to log out of your account in App X. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to our channel, write comments, don't forget to like, and see you soon.